Welcome back to 3-4 Fishing, everybody. I back from COVID. I feeling a little better now. I out here trying to look for some yellow jacks or something to make some fish sandwiches with. Got my 2 rods out here. Got one with a shrimp lure on it, blowing a dark shrimp lure, some jig heads, and then just get some hooks on that one there. So about to go out here and see if we can get onto a fish. Got to drop them in sport mode. I am on the hunt for a big fish, so this gotta be my first fish, or my first big fish of 2023, because I haven't really been fishing for a while. Just been sick at home, so now I'm feeling better. Gotta start it off right. Alright, so here at the spot now. Got a lot of current, but hopefully you get some fish out there with it. So to my subscribers that don't really understand my Cruiser accent like that, right, the hashtag to the bottom basically means it's always good vibes when I around. Got to work it. The goal is to make the lures look as lively as possible, to make it look like an injured animal, or to just, if it's like a game fish that you're going after, you'll want to make sure it looks alive, like it has a lot of action. I saw the fish splashing up on the water, but it wasn't really biting any lures like that. I'm sure if I stayed out there and kept doing it, I would have catch one, but I just switched the bait, switched the spot, and then you see what happened next. Alright, Ayo, about to do some, ooh, the water cold, boy. About to do some wade fishing. I love to fish like this. I gotta buy me some waders though, cause cold. Cast out and just leave it right there. Let me walk back to the shore because I am cold. I onto one, guys. I onto one. Don't know what it is, but something. Probably a goatfish. Something nice. Oh, exactly what I came for. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Exactly what I came for, guys. Exactly what I came for. That's a nice one, man. Ain't too big, but good for a fish sandwich. Let's go. Catch the fish sandwich fish, man. I did what I set out to do. Guys, it's a big green moray eel right here. I'm gonna try to catch it. Right by this hole right here. Oh, look right here. Oh, the gate. Gate. Ah, he split it. Shoot. See right there? Yeah.
Will it last until tomorrow? It's fading now. I don't know why you're young. You're out there, still our eyes on you. They're watching over. Keep your composure. Be your controller.
That's them done for these. All I got to do is skin them, take out the little pin bones, and that's it. Catch the fish, sandwich fish, man. I did what I set out to do.